Hi, how are you? My name is Anjal and I welcome you to this quick tutorial for this beautiful ABBA song called Mamma Mia. Now this entire song is pretty easy. We have only few main lines to learn and you should be able to play this entire song just like that. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the song and see how it goes. So the first line of the song goes something like this, very slowly. We have. Let's break that down. So we start with third string open, followed by 1 on the second string. Then you have 0, 1, 3, all on the second string, followed by first string open. Then we have 1, 1, 0, 1, and 0 again, all on the second string, followed by 2 on the third string. Very slowly up till here we have. Okay, then you have 1, 1, 3 and 3 times 1 all on the second string, like that, and we end this with 1, 1, 0 on the first string, followed by 3 times 1 on the second string. Okay, so all of that together very slowly we have. And this entire line we play twice, so everything comes again, and then we move on to the next line of the song, which goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So we start again with the third string open. We go 0 on the third string, followed by 2 on the third string. Then you have 1 on the second string, and then 0 on the first string. So these 4 notes kind of come together. So we have like that, and you let the 0 ring out. Then you have 3 on the second string, followed by 0 on the first string, 3 again on the second string, and then 1 on the second string. Okay, so this is like that, and then the same thing comes again. So 0, 2, 1, 0, and this time we do 0 first on the first string, 3 on the second string, then 1, 0 on the first string, and then 1, 3 on the second string, followed by a 0 on the first string. Okay, this part we have. Like that, and then we just have a slide from the 5th fret of the second string to the 1st fret, like that. So you just do all the way to the 1st fret. You can also do a pull off if you want, like that, which is more closer to it, but I'm trying to keep this song as simple as possible, hence we just slide it like that. So this entire line very slowly we have. Very good. That takes you to the next song. The next line of the song goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Okay, let's put all of that together. So very slowly we start with simple 3 zeros on the first string. We have, then we have 3 1 3 on the second string, followed by first string open again, and then third string open. Then we just have 1 on the first string, then 0 on the first string. You have 3 on the second string, and you do 7 times 0. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Same thing repeats again. You have 1 on the first string, 0 on the first string, 3 on the second string, and you again do 7 times 0. Then you make a little bar chord on the 5th fret. We are just trying to bar the second string and the third string. So you have both 5 5. Okay, so you just bar it on the 5th fret right behind the metal strip. So it's a very small bar. You don't have to like bar it like that. Just a very small bar, a tiny bar on the third and the second string. You do 5th fret second string, third string. Then you just do 7th fret of the third string back to 5. Okay, so this part, just the last part, you just do like that. All of that very slowly together goes something like this. We have, very well done. And that will take you to the next line of the song, which is kind of going to repeat throughout the song now, by the way. So goes something like this very slowly. We have, let's break that down. So we start, everything is on the first string, pretty easy. We just start on the 10th fret and we go to the 8. So we do 10 8 10 8, a little pause there. Then you have 8 8 10 12, back to 10 and 8. So this kind of goes quick. So you have like that. You again do just 10th fret on the first string, back to 8, and this time you go to 13. Now you see, as I reach for the 13, I do not pick that 8 up. I'm gonna leave it there. It's easy for me to catch the 8 later on. So we have, again, we did 10, we did 8, then we go for that 13 3 more times, then you do the 12, and then you go back to the 8. Very good. All of this very slowly we have. Now this section will kind of keep repeating throughout the song all the way to the end of the song, but there is only one section in between that you need to learn, which goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So we start on the 15th fret. Again, everything is pretty much on the first string, so it should be easy. We have 15, then 3 more times, then you have 10 12 13, like that. Then you have 12, again 3 times 12, 7 8 10. Then you again kind of do similar thing like before, but a little variation. So you have 10, 8, then you do 13, and only one time 13 this time instead of 3 times, and you go back to 12, and then just 8, 10, 8, 10. Okay, sorry, 10, yeah, 8, 10, 8, 10. Okay, all of this very slowly together. Again, you can just read it, should be much easier. Okay, so everything together very slowly we have. Like that. Okay, and after that pretty much everything starts again. So okay, this goes on all the way to the end of the song, and this will actually complete this song for you. Now this brings you to the play along of the song, but before we do the play along, just make sure that all the sections of the song are pretty clear to you. But again, in case there are any sections, any parts that you feel like you are still struggling with, then I highly suggest you to just go back, rewatch the video and make sure you're good with everything. Now, if you are good with everything, then let's jump right into the play along of this song and see how you do. I really hope that you were able to play this beautiful song in its entirety and that you had a fun time doing so. But again, in case you still have any doubts, any queries, suggestions, or even song requests, then please do feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment section below so that it may get conveyed to me. Now, if you really like this video, then please do feel free to hit that thumbs up button, as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. If you want to see more of me, then as we all know, that subscribe button is your way to go, and I'll be back with more fun and easy to learn songs made specially for you. For today, this is it. You have a great day ahead. Have fun. Take care. Bye bye.